Hi guys, this is Sal Ortiz with Easy Funding's Home Loans in Rancho Cucamonga. Just first want to say thank you for watching this video. I have some important news that helps you in your home buying. If you're out there home shopping and you find that little ugly duckling, but your vision is wide, I have good news for you. I can definitely help you into that home with as little as 3.5% down. Yes, 3.5% down with our FHA 203K program. It has a fixed rate and basically great opportunity for you to make that ugly duckling into that dream home. Let me help today. For more, you can call me directly at 310-902-7451. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.